Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To create a video of a 3D Maps tour, click the Create Video button in the Tour button group on the Home tab of the ribbon in the 3D Maps window to open the Create Video window. Then select the desired option button for the video quality to create. To add a soundtrack, click the Soundtrack Options button to show the soundtrack options in this window. Then click the Browse button to open a dialog box that lets you select the audio file to play during the video. Then check the checkboxes for any additional soundtrack settings you want to apply. Then click the Apply button to return to the Create Video window. Next, click the Create button in the Create Video window to open a dialog box that lets you choose where to save the resultant MP4 video file and what to name it. Then click the Save button in this dialog box to create the video file. When Excel finishes creating the file, you can then click the Open button in the Creating Video window that appears to open it, or you can click the Close button in this window to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.